According to the National Electrical Code, a hazardous location is an area where the possibility of explosion and fire is created by the presence of flammable gases, vapors, dusts, fibers, or flyings. The NEC breaks down these various hazards into classes, divisions, and groups. The NEC has strict requirements for equipment and installation in hazardous locations, so knowing the classes, divisions, and groups is essential to workplace safety. The class defines the hazard. Class 1 is an area where flammable gases or vapors may be present. Class 2 is an area made hazardous by combustible dust. And Class 3 is an area where flammable fibers or flyings are present. The division defines the situation. Division 1 normal means hazards are expected to be present during everyday operation. And Division 2 abnormal means that hazards are contained and will only be encountered due to accident or fault. And finally, the group describes the hazard characteristics. Class 1 hazards are divided into groups A, B, C, or D. They are grouped according to explosion pressure and other flammable characteristics. Class 2 hazards are divided into groups E, F, or G. They are grouped according to ignition temperature and conductivity. A diligent plant manager, designer, or technician will know these codes and equip their facility with parts and equipment that reduces risk. To learn more about the NEC, Article 500, and equipment that will make a safer facility, contact Galco today.